we should take the war a little bit higher than even where it is today, because it is real. From that point of the multi-agency, from the point of NACADA, from all whatever, the question of alcohol and drug abuse is indeed real, and we cannot pretend about this one. The war will continue, and the war continues. Point number 2, I wanted to also mention that yes, the question of drugs, we look at it from very many sides. The effects are very many. You know, families have disintegrated. Young people, energetic people who are supposed to be the drivers of the economy, the people who are supposed to lead their families, they have been affected. But in addition to that, we also have the whole question of crime and terrorism. You cannot separate the two. People who are deeply involved in drug abuse, they are the same fellows who are deeply involved in the escalation of crime and terrorism. And these two are actually intertwined. Drug abuse and terrorism and crime are intertwined. And therefore, for us to be able to address issues of crime, address issues of terrorism, we must crack the nut on the question of drug abuse. And this one, we are not going to go away.